Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to unbox the Winter 2020 Cosbox. Cosbox is my favorite subscription box as of right now. It is $54.95 if you pay seasonally, or you can drop that down to $49.95 if you pay for all 4 boxes at once annually. Annually, you also get to customize your box. I don't even remember if I customized my box. I have no memory of doing it, but I have been in a little bit of a brand new business started haze because I did start my own business. So there's a lot of things that I don't remember that recently happened. So maybe I did customize it. We will find out as soon as I open it. The only thing I knew that I really wanted was they had like a scrub that I really wanted. So hopefully that's in my box whether I customize it or not. It's my favorite box because they are so intentional with what they put in their box. They want to pick products that are making a difference, that are cruelty-free. The whole point of the name Causebox is that it is quite cosy. Are the items in it for everyone? No. It happens to fit my personal style, most of the items, and I'm really into like environmental and all of that. I would say this is a very hippie box, and it's even a little too hippie for me. I don't consider myself a hippie. So I don't recommend the box for everyone because I do think it's for a particular style, but I do think that what they're doing is amazing if that touches your heart, if you want to be supporting causes and small businesses and brands that are really trying to invest some of their own money and effort into making a difference. I definitely believe that's what they're doing. Handy dandy scissors, we cannot be trusted with these. I have not cut my finger off just yet, so I feel like we're all good, right? Oh, I love the inside. It has these little coffee cups. It's just like some girl time here. For sure, what we are missing right now is being able to like hug our friends and drink coffee with them. On top, you can win a free annual membership, and then we have our little catalog. It's Winter 2021 Cosbox. This one has articles about each product. Sometimes it's eco-friendly, sometimes it supports artisans around the world at a fair wage, sometimes it's a women-run business, or just the products are cruelty-free, sometimes that's the reason, or they support a cause. So in here, it kind of gives you like little bits interviews with the different brands, and this is different. I've never seen it look like this before. It goes across multiple pages, and it has sections, like section 1, here are the 2 items, and it actually tells you a little bit more. Like this is made with 100% recycled polyester, estimated 4,690,000 water bottles diverted from landfills to make this. Definitely we did not have this before. It was all on one page, and we just had like little small blurbs that still told you why it was in the box, but not in this detail, so I'm loving that. Let's open it right up. I got, number 1, right on top, the Good Threads Cozy Cloud Wrap. This is what's made out of recycled bottles. I think that is just so cool, and oh, it does feel so soft. You would never know this was made from recycled bottles. Got this like color block style, 2 colors. This is like a light gray, and this is just a darker gray, so definitely will match anything. It has pockets, which is so necessary. This is a custom made for Cosbox item. Sometimes the quality is not really there when that happens, not just for Cosbox, but in subscription boxes in general. I know you know what I mean, but I actually, just from touching this, do feel like this is a really good quality product, and it just feels so soft. This is from Thread and Supply. It is made in China, and it is made from recycled water bottles, like recycled plastic bottles. They say the retail value is $115. That's a lot. Perhaps the process of turning a recycled bottle into this soft of a material is an expensive process. I do know also that they do try to pay ethical wages in these foreign countries. So a lot of times your fashion merchandise that you get is so ridiculously cheap because somebody is literally getting paid like less than a penny to make it for you. In this case, and I'm not saying that that's for sure because I haven't read completely about this, but most of the fashion items in the box are trying to pay living wages to these countries and people that are really willing to work for a lot less, but it's just like so unethical to take advantage of that. That does drive the price up a lot. Would I have gone to a store and paid $112 for this? I would probably say no. That's just personally me. But nonetheless, I love what they're doing. So I am very glad that I got it. And I'm pretty sure that I would have picked that because it was between that or this gold kettle that you can see right here. And I don't need a gold kettle. I think I would have been happy with either of the items in section 2, but I also think that this is the one that I would have picked. So I probably did customize and I have just blacked out that memory in my mind because I have no memory of customizing, but both of these items, looking at the photo, both of these items are the ones I would have picked. I just can't feel like that's luck. There's no way that's luck. We'll know when we get to the scrub because when that was spoiled, I was sure I was gonna get that. This is from Boone Supply, and it is a reusable zip pouch. It's a set of 5. It's weird because it looks like a set of 3 in here, but I'm gonna open it up right now. So I have a snack size. I guess this would be a sandwich size. And I don't know what this would be, but it's in between a snack size and a sandwich size. And these look like maybe quart size, half gallon size? I don't know. I probably should have looked up before I started this video, but we're gonna go with the sizes that I made up because why not? It says it replaces more than 300 single-use bags per piece for a total of 1,500 single bags. 5 times 300 is 1,500. Yeah, that makes sense. 40% of every order with Boone Supply supports a fundraiser of your choice. Well, I didn't get to make a choice probably because I got it in Cosbox, but I wonder how that works. Do you go in there and every time you buy from them, do they ask you where you want 40% to go? I'm gonna have to check that out for you guys because that's a very interesting fact in here. I did not know that when I got these. The other option was eco-friendly as well. It's reusable silicone baking sheets. I just don't need those. I already have one, and that's why I'm saying I probably would have picked these because I feel like you could use these multiple times. They're dishwasher safe. It's kind of weird though. It has the dishwasher safe logo, but it also has like a hand wash logo. I don't know what to tell you. It also shows that they're freezer safe and that they're BPA free. These say designed in the USA, made in China. It says retail value of $22. I think that's a very reasonable retail value. And in general, except when it comes to clothing items, I do think Cosbox does have very accurate retail values. I would probably pay $22 for 2 bags. I think I have before in the past. So I do think that $22 for all 5 is definitely like a pretty reasonable price. For section 3, this is not a choice item. There's gonna be another choice item. I don't know how they made these sections, but everyone is going to get this product. It is from Skin & Co., one of my favorite skincare brands. They have organic farming, they're vegan and cruelty-free, and their ingredients just really work. Like so far, what I have used, I really like. And the scents are pretty good too. This is a face toner. It's made in Italy. And let me read a little bit about it. Gentle and refreshing, this isn't your average toner. Made with extracts like witch hazel. We're gonna smell this and see how that witch hazel smells. Truffle and rosemary. Maybe the rosemary can save it. This toner removes bacteria and cleanses your skin naturally. Vegan and cruelty-free. It's not bad at all. I actually feel like I smell that truffle scent that is very typical of Skin & Co. more than I smell the witch hazel. Witch hazel doesn't bother me, but it is a very strong scent. On here, it is also the second ingredient. It's water, then witch hazel. So I guess if you are more sensitive than I am to that scent, you might smell it, but I don't. I smell more of the truffle, like, scent that's very typical of Skin & Co. that I do like. On the back of the bottle, it says it is a purifying formula for all skin types. Section 4 is the section where I knew that I wanted this True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish. It is a coffee polish. I love coffee for my skin. It doesn't matter if it's my face, it doesn't matter if it's my body. I just love coffee and caffeine. It is one of my favorite ingredients. If you've watched this channel long enough, I never stop talking about it. It's literally it's been the best thing I've ever put on my skin. This says, True Moringa serves over 5,000 small farming families and over 2 million trees are planted, and it increases the farmer's income by times 10. I do have it in my box, so now I am sure that I customized this box because there were 2 other options, so I only would have a 1 in 3 chance of this being put in my box for me. The other one is a Sanctuary product thick gold hoops, and then the Zeal Living Marble Geo coasters. Those are very cute coasters though. That would have been a close second for me, or if I could have picked 2, I might have. Let's open this one up because I do want to smell it. Oh, that smells so good. It's like coffee and peppermint. Amazing. Oh my gosh, there has to be peppermint in this. There's just no way. The back of the bottle does say their mission is to create a sustainable income opportunity for the family of farmers in Ghana and bring us still the purest moringa oil on the planet. First ingredient is sugar, second ingredient is coffee, and some coffee scrubs can smell quite bitter, but this one smells so good. If you love the smell of coffee, oh, you will love this. Then it says it has the moringa oil and then peppermint oil. So such a clean ingredient list as well. Obviously also a vegan ingredient list with just those 4 ingredients. I am so excited to try this. It does not say where this is made. It does say distributed by, and then that's a US company, but I don't see anywhere on here where this is made. It's a 4-ounce bottle or 114 grams, and this says it's a $34 retail value. I would say if the ingredients are really good quality, like that's good quality coffee and that's good quality moringa oil, $34 is reasonable. However, there are definitely other coffee scrubs where you could get 4 ounces for much less than that. So depends how you value something like this. You are also supporting those farmers in Ghana with an ethical wage, whereas another coffee scrub might be paying them, again, pennies on the dollar. For section 5, I really don't know what I would choose, so I'm looking in here, and it is a pair of socks or a pillowcase. None of those things really excite me. It looks like I got the pillowcase. So it is a travel pillowcase. Unfortunately, we are not traveling right now, but this feels really good. It's 100% bamboo, and it's actually really thick. Like, unexpectedly thick, so it does feel like good quality. I usually use a satin pillowcase, but I can definitely get down with using bamboo as well. Bamboo is a very sustainable ingredient and it feels really good. I think it's also antibacterial or antimicrobial, one or the other. I will look it up because if I'm lying, I will cut that out of this video, or I'll write on the screen right now, she's totally lying. This is from the brand Attitude, and in here it says it's made from 100% bamboo and that Attitude's clean bamboo is made in a closed loop system that reuses 98% of its water in future production cycles. So it's even more sustainable to reuse the water as well. So I do like that. Unfortunately, I'm not traveling right now, so I don't really need a travel pillow, but fingers crossed, let's manifest that we can travel in 2021. The tag for the pillowcase said it's machine washable and it says made responsibly in China. I cannot verify that for you, but I do think that the brands they choose, like I said, try to pay ethical wages elsewhere. The retail value for that pillowcase is $25, and I would say for a bamboo pillowcase that is pretty reasonable, especially 100% bamboo. Section 6 is between a calendar and foot masks, and I actually had a hard time with this because I love masks of all kinds, and it's Soon Skincare, so I know it's a cruelty-free brand as well. I'm pretty sure everything in Cosbox is cruelty-free actually, so scratch that. We already knew it was gonna be cruelty-free. But I love planners, and I was thinking maybe I won't get this planner in time for January 1st. Somehow, magically I did, despite the fact that everybody is having shipping woes right now, but I did get it by January 1st, so I am gonna get to use it, and I took a chance and I got the planner because I thought it was just so stinking cute. Let me open it from the plastic and we'll show. So it just has this just like beautiful green colors, and green is my favorite color. I can always use multiple planners because I have a planner for YouTube, I have a planner for my personal life, I have a planner for my work life, and I feel like I'm gonna need a planner for Goldiebox because keeping it all in one planner is just virtually impossible when your to-do lists are so long for everything that you do. So I'm always happy to have a planner, and this one I did check it out before I got it because I'm very picky that I don't like my weeks to go up and down because I write sentences. So having like long strips up and down, I can't handle that. And this one does not have that. So we do have a month at a glance. And then the pages are a week, but it's got like squares for each daily. You probably can't see it because of how bright my lights are right now. Let's just hold it up really quick and turn these down. So you have a 2-page week. It's just lined. There's nothing really special about it. And I also like that Saturday and Sunday are separate because sometimes they get merged. Like, let's just add the weekend together so we can save space. I work a lot on the weekends, so for me, I need them to not be merged. So that is your weekly layout, and then a standard monthly layout like this. I don't think I saw anything else There's like a notes section here, but I don't think I saw anything else that was super cute about it. This planner is from Idlewild Co. I don't think it's anything super special, like there's not extra pages or like tracking or anything like that. It's a very typical, like, here's your month, here's your week, here's space type of calendar. That is something that I like though. This planner is made in China, and the reason it's in the box says it's a woman-owned and operated. It swaps biodegradable material for plastic. I like that. I also noticed it was not wrapped in plastic in here. It is designer run. I don't know what that means, but I am glad that I got it. The retail value is $32. I would say that's probably typically what I would pay it for a hardback planner like this. The last product is a postcard. It's created by the same artist that designs the box. I have never sent the postcard, but we always get one, and they're always beautiful. I just happen to collect them instead of sending them, but I love, because we don't write each other enough mail, we just are so used to email and text message and being just like, I need to know right now. There is a lost art in writing letters or postcards or just any kind of snail mail. So I really do appreciate that like slow down mentality that we get with these. I hope some people send theirs. I hope they don't just sit in drawers just like mine sit in drawers. The interesting thing with this artist is it's not one artist, but two, and they are best friends that have known each other since they were 7 years old in elementary school. They call themselves Sacre Frangine. I'm sure that I am butchering that, but I'm doing my best, okay? And that means sacred sister or sisterhood. Sister. Sacred sister. The togetherness in this postcard and on the box is inspired, of course, by the pandemic and being separated from each other. It says that they were separated 4 months and that the distance and longing to be with family ignited their focus on reconnection and appreciating every moment you have with your family. So such a timely like design as well. I feel like that happens a lot with Cosbox too, where something's just happening and the artists really do a good job of putting that on our box. So overall, the retail value of this box is $258 if you don't count the postcard. Let's say it's another $2 for the postcard just to make it easy, so that makes it $260. I definitely think that the sweater, the recycled bottle sweater, carried that though. Obviously that's over $100. So if you did not love that item, and the tea kettle as well was about $100, I think it was $98. So if you didn't love the first choice item, you know, maybe the box wouldn't be really worth it to you. I love it. It feels so soft, like honestly, and I do like that the color will match pretty much any outfit. I plan to wear it very often. So for me, the box is definitely worth it. And it does give me that feel-good feeling that I am supporting brands and using brands that care about making a difference. I love this box. I will probably always love this box. Even when I don't love every item in the box, I still love the feeling that I get by getting the box. So for me, it is always worth it. As always, with every unboxing, let me know what your favorite item in the box was for this unboxing down in the comments down below. It really helps me out to always have those comments down there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!